promoters in plant or coordination in plant. Now we discuss growth promoters. And growth promoters by phytohormones or PGR. PGR is that means plant growth regulators. Two types. First is growth promoters, second is growth inhibitors. Inhibitors we discuss, and now we discuss promoters. First is auxin. Auxin, also known as indole acetic acid. Indole acetic acid present in all plants as well as fungi. Clear? Auxin promote cell division because if growth occur, is that means mass or number of cell increase. Cell elongation and root formation all are promoted by auxin. Apical dominance. What is the means of apical dominance and prevents abscission layer formation. Abscission layer formation as well as initiation of flowering done by auxin and regulate plant growth movement. Regulates plant growth movement. Now second growth promoter is gibberellins. Let's talk about gibberellins. Gibberellins first observed first time observed in history, disease of rice. In Japan, that means gibberellins cause the type of gibberellin cause disease in rice. Now let's talk about function of gibberellins. First is leaf expansion. Is that means increased surface area of a leaf. Increased surface area of a leaf for a photosynthesis. Gibberellins are reversal of dwarfism. Reversal of dwarfism. Gibberellins support tall, or dwarf means short. That means reversal of short, tall. Gibberellin promote growth. Next is breaking of dormancy. Breaking of dormancy. Promotes flowering and seed germination. And seed germination. Clear? Disease of rice. Which disease? Disease is Bakane foliage seedling. Seedling caused by Gibberella fujicorae. Clear? And Gibberella fujicorae. Now let's talk about three growth promoters. And last growth promoter is cytokinin. Cytokinin promote growth. And what is the means of growth? Mass or number of cell division increase. Is that means growth occur? Now promote cell division as well as cell enlargement. Next is counteraction of apical dominancy. Counteraction of apical dominancy. And third is breaking of dormancy. This is all about plant coordination. If you don't know what is the means of dormancy, what is the means of apical dominancy, what is the means of seed germination, means of abscission, then we study in another lecture in terminology or movement in plants. Clear? Or control in plants.